correctly
Or we want to showcase it as well.
and showcase it. So it's to our best interest to get it right.
Well, this is the first step, isn't it?
Yeah,
Which
true.
is well overdue.
Yeah.
Just to be clear though, with the fine cut or the normal tips, your preference would be the normal tips, not the fine cut.
Yeah, I'd use the normal tips first until you guys are comfortable.
Because most of our stuff is not any smaller than 2 and 3 mil is our common.
Then I'll...
The fine tip will cut up to 3.
Yeah,
But we're probably not going to change it for a long time anyway.
look, here,
because we want to.
in the book, see that? This is normal, all right?
Yeah.
When you come to here, the back of the book, so it says fine cut.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Now, fine cut, look, fine cut can go from 0.5 to 4 mil.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Material
fine
thickness,
cut. See when you cut in 0.8 of a mil
Yeah.
thickness,
Yep.
very fine.
Yeah.
You guys might be doing that. You've
Well,
got to drop.
0.9
You got
anyway.
to drop your amps down to 40.
Yeah. Okay.
Or only blowing the shit out of your bloody material. Right? So the fine cut parameters are different to the other ones. But get used to the other ones, right? And then progress to these and see if you're getting a better quality.
Well, what's the highest amps you run on fine cut through these?
45.
So 45 is still
Yeah.
maximum.
But you know what? I would never run 4 mil with fine cut.
Yeah.
I'd be
I would
too
think
worried.
that'd be up your wrong end.
Oh, yeah. See, look, with all these cut charts, there's all another thing is, people ask me, what amps should I cut at? Right? So when you come to the cut charts, see like this one here, I always pick from here to here, right?
Yeah.
That's the range of the machine.
Yeah.